Hello students, welcome to the class with Sister Josephine. I am going to deal with class 5, English 2, lesson 3, the Bermuda Triangle, part 1. Come, let us learn. The Bermuda Triangle. There is a spot in the Atlantic Ocean east of the United States where many strange incidents have been taking place for years now. So, we are going to study about the Bermuda Triangle, which is in the Atlantic Ocean. It is in the Atlantic Ocean towards the eastern side of the United States of America, where what is happening there, where many strange incidents have been taking place. So many strange incidents are taking place, not only today and yesterday, okay, for many years now. For many years, many strange things have been taking place there. That's what in the first paragraph we see. Now, what is that strange incidents? Let us see. Planes have disappeared from the radar screens and ships have been found with no crew. So this is what happens there. What happens there? Planes have disappeared. When the aeroplanes are flying over this particular area, they have disappeared from the radar screen. Radar means the instrument which indicates where the flying object is there. So where the plane is flying, so that is the radar. From there it has completely disappeared, and ships, many ships have been found with no crew. Crew means the members who are sailing in the ship. Now, many small boats and aircraft have gone missing. Not only these aeroplanes and ships, many even small boats and small aircrafts also have gone missing. All these incidents have something in common. So now all these missing things have got one thing in common. What is that? They are mysteries that have not been solved. Nobody knows what is the answer behind this. What is the reason behind this disappearance? So they are considered to be mysteries that have not been solved. This area of danger began to be known by names like the Devil's Triangle. So one of the first name they called it as Devil's Triangle because many unwanted things happened there. That's why they named it as Devil's Triangle and Hoodoo Sea. Okay, until Vincent Gaddis, a journalist, coined the term the Bermuda Triangle in 1964. Okay, so who was the first man who named it as the Bermuda Triangle? He was Vincent Gaddis, a journalist. Coined the term means he named this. Okay, the place as Bermuda Triangle in 1964. Later, Charles Berlitz used the name in his book also called the Bermuda Triangle. Later, the other one called an author, Charles Berlitz, also used this name in his book, the Bermuda Triangle. Now, on a map, the Bermuda Triangle can be marked out as a rough triangle stretching out from Miami to Puerto Rico, then to Bermuda and back to Miami. But the power of this mysterious stretch of ocean is felt beyond its boundaries. So let us hear the same thing, let us see here in the map form. So this on the map, when we see, it is like a rough structure. It's not exactly this, okay? It's roughly in a form of a triangle. And now this is beginning like now Florida, it is written here. Here is the place which is called Miami, okay? So it is beginning from Miami to Bermuda, okay? The Bermuda Island which is present here. And from this Bermuda to back to again Puerto Rico. And from Puerto Rico to again to Miami. So it is in a triangle form. So that's what given in the book here. Miami to, okay, in the other way we take also Miami to Puerto Rico, Puerto Rico to Bermuda, Bermuda to again Miami. So anyhow it is a triangle. It forms a rough triangle space here. Okay. Now the power of this mysterious stretch, no? It's not only inside this triangle, maybe sometimes beyond. Maybe beyond this triangle also it takes place. Sometimes it is also present beyond this triangle. Now let us see what is next. Here is a picture of this, clear picture of this Bermuda Triangle. See here. Now again here Miami, Miami to Puerto Rico, Puerto Rico to Bermuda Island, Bermuda to again Miami. So this is the rough triangle which is placed, which is known as the Devil's Triangle, the Bermuda Triangle, or Hoodoo Sea, whatever may be. Now what is happening? We saw in the picture that many aeroplanes have disappeared. Many ships have found lost with no crew. Nobody is, not even a single person is able to survive and come back. Very rarely one or two have come back. Okay, so This is what the planes have disappeared, the ships have disappeared. Nobody knows what is happening. So these are some of the mysterious things that is happening in this particular area. That's what. Now let's go ahead with the lesson. Many aircraft and ships have vanished without a trace in the Bermuda Triangle area, and only a few people have survived to share their terrific experiences. Means what? Many aircraft and ships have vanished. Just it has disappeared. Without a trace means nothing is found in that particular place in Bermuda Triangle. Only a very few people have survived to share their terrifying experiences. Others have left recordings in their radio communication before disappearing in the same way. Some, what did they do? Some of them have left radio recordings before they disappeared. These recordings tell us about the compasses that went out of control. Now, what is this compasses? Compass is an instrument which is kept inside the aeroplane or in the ship, which shows them the direction. Okay, in which way they are supposed to move. So when suddenly what happens to these compasses? They go out of control. They don't show any direction. They keep on rolling. The strange fog which covered the sea and the sky, suddenly a strange fog, a type of smoke type or a cloud type, which is coming in front and covering the sea and covering the sky, and unidentified flying object. Unidentified flying objects, UFO, means unidentified flying objects that were sighted. Suddenly the pilots see some UFO, means unidentified flying objects that is coming in front of them, and that's what the last scene. Immediately the planes got crashed and the ships also disappeared. Now next, one of these occurred in 1980 when pilots Jose Torres and Jose Santos were flying back to Puerto Rico from the Dominican Republic. Okay, so now from Puerto Rico they had gone to the United States Dominican Republic, and from there they were coming back. Now what happened to these pilots Jose Torres and Jose Santos? Their radio transmission sometimes during the flight said that there was a UFO in their path. UFO in their path means there was an unidentified flying object in their path. They said that they recorded in their radio that there was some unidentified flying object in their path. What happened next? No one heard from them or saw them after that message. No one, that's all is the last one. After that, no one heard from them or saw them after that message. It seemed that the plane and its crew had simply vanished. They just vanished. Nobody knew what happened. All of them, including the plane and all of them, just vanished, just disappeared. There are also first-hand accounts from the people like Captain Don Henry, which confirm such tragic happenings. Also, not only this, okay, there was a captain from a ship, okay, his name was Don Henry. He also confirmed such happenings, means some unidentified flying objects are found on this particular area. Many mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle have remained unsolved. Till today, nobody is able to solve these problems of this Bermuda Triangle. Many mysteries till now, no answer. It remains unsolved. One morning in January 1948, a BSAA Tudor 4 airliner, okay, named, it was a BSAA Tudor 4 airliner. The name of the airliner was Star Tiger, suddenly disappeared. So the name of the airliner was Star Tiger. It suddenly disappeared. What happened? It was less than 2 hours away from its destination, Bermuda. It was supposed to come to Bermuda, and just 2 hours distance away from Bermuda, and everybody knew that it is just on the way coming back, but suddenly it disappeared. A report on this incident concluded nobody knew what happened to this Star Tiger. But at the end they solved, but unable to solve. At the end, how did they conclude? They concluded that the disappearance of Star Tiger, Star means the airliner, must remain an unsolved mystery, which means this remains an unsolved mystery. Nobody knows what happened to this Star Tiger. So that's enough for today. We'll continue with this same lesson tomorrow in the next classes. Stay healthy and learn easily. Thank you.